Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on reserve rights. On a 7 days time frame chart, reserve rights has already broken out a quite long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, you can see that it has broken out so many significant resistance levels. First, it broke out this resistance that was here at $0.002. That was previously working as a resistance here for a few weeks. And after the breakout, you can see it flipped into a very nice support. The price and almost tested this level as a support here and geared up and broke out the next resistance of $0.0026 as well. That was previously working as a support here, and resistance here for several weeks. And now we have broken it out once again. And it has recently broken out this quite significant resistance of $0.0036, $0.00336 that has been previously working as a support here, and resistance here. And now it is breaking out a quite significant and long-term resistance of $0.0055 that has been previously working as a resistance here. And for several weeks a month, it has been working as a support here. And at the same time, it is also trying to break out this uptrend line resistance as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see for the past several months, it was working as a very, very strong resistance. And right now, the price line is trying to break out the upper band of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And cloud is quite squeezed now. And soon it can be flipped into a bullish cloud. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for reserve rights that I shared on 29th of December 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that reserve right formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone here. And this was almost 12% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of reserve rights, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several months, or in fact years, it was moving inside this quite long-term falling wedge pattern since after the month of November 2020, when we found the support here and we found a resistance here in the month of April 2021. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge, finally we have broken out the resistance. So far, from this low to this high, it has rallied more than 300 here from this low to this high. So far, it has rallied almost 334%. And right now, reserve rights is trying to break out this quite long-term resistance, this uptrend line resistance that is coming from here from the month of August 2020. You can see we got two rejections here, stable rejections here, and now the price line is breaking out this resistance. And soon, this weekly candlestick will be closed above this resistance. I'm expecting that it can be closed above this resistance. On the daily time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this resistance, this uptrend line resistance, and this next resistance of $0.0055. However, these two resistance levels are quite long term. Therefore, we need to watch out for the weekly closing above these two resistance levels. The next major resistance will be here. That will be at 1.1 cents. That has been previously working as a very nice support here. And after the breakdown, you can see it flipped into a very strong resistance. We got rejection here and here as well. And again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of reserve rights. At the same time, it is also trying to break out this very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And once it will be able to break out this Ichimoku cloud, then it will be flipped into a long-term support for the price line, and this rally to the upside can be continued for the long term. And now if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this wedge pattern, that is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 12 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.